Paracutan topographic map. Paracutan general map.
Paracutan is located in the Mexican municipality of Michoacan, 29 kilometers west of the city of Uruapan and about 322 kilometers west of Mexico City. It is wedged against old volcanic mountain chains and surrounded by small volcanic zones with the intervening valleys occupied by small fields or small settlements. Consequences: 3 people were killed, 2 towns were completely evacuated and buried by lava, 3 others were heavily affected, hundreds of people had to be permanently relocated, and new towns were created to accommodate their migration.